Welcome back, everyone. I'm Ed Tapper again from Mr. C's Auto Mart with another beautiful new arrival, a very high quality 2015 Ford Fusion Titanium Edition. It's the highest option edition, and it's an all-wheel drive with the EcoBoost 1.4 liter turbo engine. We'll close the hood here. Start panning around the car. It's a smoked colored plastic hood protector. It has the beautiful 20-inch 20 spoke polished aluminum Ford wheels, supplemental turn signals, passive entry system with chrome grille, chrome door handles, chrome surround window trim. Got the rear deck lid spoiler, beautiful black leather interior, power seats on both sides, memory seats, heated seats, and the 8-way power lumbar on both sides, driver and passenger. It's got the aluminum Fusion door guard entries. Again, it's got the rear spoiler, a dual chrome exhaust. It's got a full-size spare. It is the titanium all-wheel drive. Very nice condition, as you can see, certified CARFAX history. It's got only 86,000 miles, folks, so you're looking at a very low mileage, nicely equipped Ford. Leather's in great condition. Rear heat and air vents. Passenger seat again is Lumbar. And we'll pan to the front again and then take a look inside. It's got remote start, remote trunk entry. Here's the key fob. And it's got lots of interior amenities. It's got Bluetooth, trip computer, push button start. There's your mileage. Got a digital odometer display. A bunch of trip functions as needed. Memory seats. It's got the Ford Infotainment system with navigation and with rear backup camera. The lane guides, heated seats. It's got aluminum trim on the inside. We have ports here for an SD card reader, USB ports, 2 of them, and audio inputs. So we would invite you to come by, take a look. It's a really, really high quality car, and you can view more details at Mr. C's Auto Mart. Or call me directly at 708-473-2014. I believe we have this car for about $15,900 currently, approximately. And you can call me directly for more information. Thanks.